Alright, so my ponytail is done. I am proud of myself because, girl, I just did a braid.
I guess high off your love, I don't know how to be.
Alright, so I got in the shower and I wet my hair a little bit so I can manipulate my hair into a bun. I think I'm going to do it like my normal bun, and if you hear kid background YouTube, but that's because my boyfriend and my bonus son are here. So yeah, but here we are, and I think I'm gonna do it in a low ponytail, but I wanted to damp my hair because it's easier to manipulate. Sorry. All right, so the products I'm going to use to slick my hair down are the Eco Style, the olive oil hair gel, and then I also have some Got To Be. I use this to just give it the final slick back, and it's the Invincible styling gel. I always use this. I also use it on my edges because it makes my edges stay like for a long time. I didn't wet all my hair, like as you can see, like some of my edges are still out, but we'll get to that. All right, so we're gonna do that, and then I also like to put some Biotin premium hair oil on my hair. I got all of this from Target, so you know, use it as you please. And I got some rubber bands. I got these from Target as well, just so I can make sure I put my ponytail, we'll secure it at the end, and you'll see that. And I got some bobby pins because I'm going to wrap the hair around the scrunchie to make sure it's a sleek look. But you will see that. I just wanted to give a quick little overview of how I'm going to do it because I might not do a lot of talking since I have some background noise. But yeah, so also one more thing. I have the pre-stretched braid hair in the color 1B because my hair is 1B. This was like $4.95, $5, so it was super cheap. I got it from the hair store, the beauty store. You can get it from your local beauty store. It's 100% I'm not saying that word. Kanekolan, I don't know. Anyways, it's pre-stretched, so I always get this one. This is my first time doing a braided ponytail, so we're gonna see how this goes. I hope it goes well because I don't have much time. I'm doing this for a brunch, and I hope it lasts and does what it needs to do. So let's get started.
Confident to say what's in my chest. Spill my words and tear me down until there's nothing left. Rearrange the pieces just to fit me with the best. Yeah. But what if I trip? What if I fall? Then am I the monster? Just let me know. What if I sin? What if I break it? Then am I the monster? Yeah. my chest. Spill my words and tear me down until there's nothing left. Rearrange the pieces just to fill me with the rest. Yeah. But what if I trip? What if I fall? Then am I the monster? Just let me know. What if I
I'm putting the rubber band on top of my hair and the hair on top of my hair because my hair is not straight. So I'm going to have to like brush through my hair just to get it to where it's like how it needs to be. So I probably should have did this beforehand. It's okay. I'm gonna still manipulate it to where it looks like what it's supposed to look like. And I'm going to tuck the hair. So I'm going to tuck my hair in the braid. So as you can see, right. And I'm also going to leave a piece out. So I'm going to take like a little piece of the braid and I'm going to leave it out. I don't want a super long braid, so I'm okay with this length. I want it to just be something to where I can just have a little cute little something. I'm not pressed about a super long braid, but if you do want a super long braid, you can use 2 packs of the hair. So that's why I have 2 of the pre-stretched braid hair. It all came in 1 pack, so we'll see. I'll see if I want to add some more. And I'm gonna have to go back in and smooth my hair, but let's go ahead and do it. And if you know how to braid, great. If you don't, I'm probably not the one to teach you, but we'll see what I can do. Remember, I'm gonna have this little piece out. I'm going to split the hair and take my hair and start working it in there to start braiding. Make sure I can do this. And just put in some of the edge, the Eco Styler on, so it's easy to manipulate.
I had big dreams of doing shows and making memories. Made some bad moves trying to act cool, upset by the jealousy. Lifting me up, lifting me up. Turn me down, turn me down. Take responsibility for everything I've done. Holding it against me like you're the holy one. I had a chip on my shoulder, had to let it go. Cause unforgiveness keeps them in control. I came in with good intentions, then I let it go. And now I really wanna know what if I trip? What if I fall? Then I'm the monster. Just let me know. And what if I sin? And what if I break? Then I'm the monster. Just let me know. Please just let me confidence, I say what's in my chest. Spill my words and tear me down until there's nothing left. Rearrange the pieces just to fill me with the rest. Yeah. But
where I can manipulate it a little bit. So I'm gonna start this under, just so I can secure the ponytail, because I want it to make sense. You know what I mean? Some more. I should open this before. Take a bobby pin. First going to secure it. Going to cut this little end piece right here, and then I'm going to slick my edges. So let's do that. It's not super long, but it is like laid, as you can see. So I'm going to slick my edges and then go from there.
Take it or leave it, baby, take it or leave it. But I know you won't leave it, cause I know that you need it. Look in the mirror, when I look in the mirror, baby, I see it clear, why you want it nearer. I'm not surprised, I sympathize. I can't deny your appetite. You got a fetish for my love. I'll push you out and you come right back. Don't see a point in blaming. If I were you, I'd tell me. You got a fetish for my love. I'll push you out and you come right back. Don't see a point in blaming.
Alright, so my ponytail is done. It looks so cute. I cut the ends just to make it more, you know, clean cut trim, but I am loving the ponytail. It looks so good. I tucked in my excess hair that I had coming out, and it's probably not all tucked, but y'all listen. This is only going to be in for like a day, so I just wanted something cute, clean cut. This is the finished look. Sorry if you hear the airplane in the background, but I hope you all enjoyed the tutorial. I hope I understood the assignment. I don't know, but anyways, I love the way it looks. So cute.
So make up my shoes.